Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change device name on your TCL 32V5C TV. First of all, navigate to Settings from the home screen. In Settings, go to Device Preferences menu and then open About section. Here select Device Name, and then select Change. And then you can select one of the preset names or select Enter Custom Name and then enter the name using your remote control and the on-screen keyboard. So let's name this TV TCL HR, then press OK. And after that, let's restart the TV by selecting Restart option. Select Restart. And now this TV will be displayed as TCL HR for all the devices nearby that are trying to connect to it. And so that's basically how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.